Hey y'all, Tab here with Real Michigan Anglers. In this video, my boss and I took a slow work day and turned it into a day of exploration. We checked out 7 different small creeks for trout and fished 3 of the 7 that we scouted. And this video is just some of the highlights from our explorations on this slow work day.
There's a fish. That's a good one. Nice little rainbow. I didn't. It's a brownie. Look at that. That's a solid brown trout. Excellent first fish of the day.
Yeah, it's a beauty, bro. That's
Woohoo! He thinks he's been let go.
Huh?
He thought I let him go because he took right off.
Like, let him go.
It's probably a keeper if you want to actually keep some.
Me too.
I don't know either. It's not super hot. This guy's spunky. I think we'll just let him go.
I don't need each other. Like, why? Elena's already got food for dinner, you know?
Right. Alright, back in there for this nice brownie. Yep. Oh, fish on! 2 casts in a row.
Yeah, thanks for the tip. Spooners don't work.
This one looks
Not
a little rougher, right? Lies. Spinners always work. I can't see my line. There we go. Another brownie.
That's beauty.
It's a cute little guy. Right back in there. Nice. That looks like, oh, that was a good fish.
That's a big fish, man.
Oh.
I think that was a dogfish, if I'm being honest.
A dogfish? You think so?
It looked like a dogfish to me. It felt dogfishy. Big, deep bowl, or a big cat.
Wow. Huh. That's unexpected.
Yeah.
This spot looks super juicy though. Surprised it broke your line.
I got ultralight shit on.
Yeah.
6 pound, you know?
I got 8 pound on. Yeah.
6 pound floral.
Yeah, I've got a 6 pound leader, or an 8 pound leader on 8 pound main line.
Should I do same color? Or should I switch to the gold?
Mine came on black and gold. Fish.
You got him.
It's a pike, I think. Yep, it's a northern.
Well, that explains why no littles.
Yep. Ooh, I almost fell in. a stupid rock pile right behind me and I can't stand on it. There we go.
Don't you knock rock piles?
I happen to like those rock piles. Stop it. You're gonna break my line. There we go.
That'll do. That's a keeper. That's
Yeah.
24.
I feel like that should be pulled out for the trout's sake anyway.
What? That's your call if you want to keep.
I don't. I just don't want him to eat all the trout in here.
And hand that to me.
Oops.
You want to grab my bigger pliers off the back of them?
Oh. Maybe.
Yeah, done fighting now.
You won't harass any trout for a few minutes anyway. Ooh,
What?
that's probably him.
Oh.
No. Did you break your lure off on that fish?
Yeah.
That was him. He had your lure in his mouth.
There's another one.
That white, yeah. So there's two in this hole. You hooked one, I hooked the other.
Okay.
I saw it swimming and it was clearly a big fish, bigger than the one I caught.
Okay.
And,
Another northern.
but I thought it was the one I caught at first because I could see its mouth look jacked up. But then I realized it was that Yozuri hanging out of its mouth.
Damn.
That's cool. Yeah, it was a good sized pike. The one you lost. Oh, and it drops off like, who knows how many feet right in front of me. No joke. I tried to step and I couldn't feel bottom anywhere.
It's funny because I just decided to walk over the tree instead of around it.
Yeah. Dude, I'm gonna backtrack and go where you went. I think it's deep as hell right here.
I can see a deep line right through here.
Yeah.
Comes up.
Yeah, I'm standing on this little rock shelf and I can't feel bottom.
Sorry.
Crisscross wiener fight.
Yeah, it's not a good end of the cast shot from Ted. I just verified. Oh, that ain't helping either.
Classic. Oh, little fish just hit my spinner right in front of me. Yep. Oh yeah. Wow, he hit hard. Ooh, jumping Jehoshaphat. Another nice little brown trout. Oh, he came off. No picture for that one.
Trying to put it across one of these puddles here.
Oh, I had a bite. Oops. Ah. Some little shiners or something biting it. Ah. They're chasing. Oh, I just had 2 bites. Yeah, seems like it. Found a snag.
Oh boy. No bottom.
Ooh, I got my snag out.
I'm sinking.
Turn back. Yeah, probably this whole creek is gonna be like that.
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez.
Wow. Let me get that leg out. Here we go. Wow. I do not recommend you do that.
I won't take another step.